We heal with zeal.
Together we navigate
New frontiers.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Sheetal Kudle. I am working as in charge of neonatal services at Dr. D.Y. Patil Hospital, Nehru. On occasion of Newborn Care Week, I would like to share few key points regarding neonatal care with you. Newborn Care Week is celebrated every year in our country from 15 to 21st of November. The aim for celebrating this week is to raise awareness about the importance of neonatal care for the better child survival and development. Why this week is necessary? This is because the first 28 days of baby's life, that is neonatal phase, is very vulnerable, has highest child mortality rate. Every year, 2.6 million babies, they die in first 28 days of life, and out of those, mostly die in first week of life. Similarly, this stage sets the foundation for your child's health. The care and effort you put into baby's health at this stage will decide how strong he or she will be in as an adult. So we have to make efforts to educate parents as how to look after their newborn baby. The major causes of neonatal deaths in our country are prematurity, neonatal sepsis, birth asphyxia, and sometimes congenital malformation. So let's see how to take proper neonatal care in our babies. Proper newborn care involves early skin-to-skin contact with the mother soon after birth and early initiation of breastfeeding within 1 hour after birth and continuation of exclusive breastfeeding for complete 6 months. No bathing soon after birth because it will decrease baby's body temperature. Preferably no bathing in the hospital. At home, use any mild soap and warm water for bathing. Do not apply turmeric powder, milk cream or gram flour on baby's skin because it may lead to skin rash, sometimes skin infection or prickly heat. Do not try to remove those tiny little hair from the baby's body because they fall off on their own. First, yellow sticky fluid known as colostrum is very important, which acts as a first immunization for baby. So give that colostrum to your baby. Start breastfeeding within 1 hour. Continue exclusive breastfeeding for complete 6 months. Give breastfeed to your baby every 2 to 3 hours. Basically, demand feeding to your baby. Start complementary feed after completion of 6 months along with breastfeeding. Continue breastfeeding till 2 years of age. In general hygiene, hand washing is extremely important and it is an integral part of neonatal care. Before handling baby, after coming from outside or after changing the baby's nappy, it is extremely important to wash your hands. Mother should not wash her breast after each and every feed. One-time bathing and washing of breast at the time of bathing is all what is required. It is normal for the babies to sleep for 18 to 20 hours in a day. Don't get panic. Babies' overgrown nails should be cut with due precautions. Use homemade cotton nappies for baby. They are cheap and they are as good as ready-made nappies available in the market. Clean baby's umbilicus while bathing and dry after that. Do not apply any medicinal powder or cream routinely on umbilicus. Seek medical advice when you find danger signs in your baby. Those danger signs are as follows: fast breathing, that is respiratory rate more than 60 per minute, severe chest injury, difficulty in feeding, convulsions, lethargy. Lethargy is nothing but movement only when you stimulate your baby. Baby body temperature is less than 35.5 degrees centigrade or more than 38 degrees centigrade, and yellow staining of palms and soles. Now we look for few don'ts. Do not put oil in baby's nose and ear, because former may cause oil pneumonia or nasal blockade and latter may cause ear damage. Removal of wax, ear wax, routinely is no more required. Do not clean child's tongue or mouth with any other method or with glycerin is not required. Do not massage baby's breast for milk expression, because it may lead to pus formation in baby's breast. Mild enlargement of breast and little bit of milk expression is because of maternal hormones. Do not worry about the vaginal bleed in female baby, because it is because of maternal hormones in baby. Do not use disinfectant for baby's bathing water or for washing clothes. Do not use talcum powder. Do not burn coal wood to give hot fermentation, as baby may get cold. Do not tie thread around wrist, around neck and around waist. Do not put kajal in baby's eyes, because it may cause damage to the baby.